Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am super excited to bring you a what I drink in a day. I think it's a little bit different. If you guys do enjoy it, go ahead and leave me a comment and a thumbs up, but let's hop into it. So I'm starting off with sharing one of my favorite teas, which is ginger tea. I love it for inflammation, but it has a ton of benefits, so definitely look it up and see how it can help you. It also helps with bloating and digestion and etc. Fresh ginger tea is amazing for inflammation. It is the best thing that I have been able to consume that helps with inflammation. Now, inflammation is pretty much the cause of most diseases. Ginger is the doctor of doctors. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. I currently am drinking ginger tea right now, and also Teami Skinny, which is the next thing that I want to talk about really quickly. Now, I love to drink the Skinny because the ingredients in it are amazing. I love teas, I love herbal teas, and I love teas that are already mixed so that I don't have to buy several different loose leaf teas. In the Teami Skinny, there's yerba mate, oolong tea, jiao gulam, lotus leaf, lime leaf, ginger root, rhubarb root, and it contains plant-based caffeine. I'm drinking the Skinny this morning because I've noticed just a little bit of fatigue and a little bit of dullness to my skin, some bloating as well. And the Teami Skinny helps with all of those things. Now, there is also the Teami Colon. So if you're doing the Teami Detox, you would take that every second night. And the Teami Colon, what I would use that for is to help clear out my digestive tract, to help clear out my colon. The colon is where a lot of things go to kind of just fester, and all these toxins and things can be stored in your colon. So it's definitely beneficial to do a detox, not something that you do every single day or consistently, but if you really need a good detox, check out the Teami 30-day challenge detox system. My code will be on the screen and in the description box. You can also find the link down in the description box, but yes. So I have two honorable mention teas. That's Tulsi, which is also known as Holy Basil, and St. John's Wort, which is a flower. These two have been game changers for stress relief and for just getting me in a calm state if ever I need that, without making me sleepy like our good old sis chamomile tea will do. Moving on to my greens. This is liquid chlorophyll. I want to talk about this. You guys actually may have seen me talk about it in a recent skincare video, but I've been taking liquid chlorophyll for, I would say, almost 2 months now. The first thing that I noticed that left was body odor. I do hot yoga almost every single day. It's power vinyasa, so I'm really working up a sweat and I'm getting a full workout in. I do that every single day, and I do not wear deodorant, you guys. This has been the best natural deodorant I have ever found. Chlorophyll is also nutrient rich. It has a ton of vitamins in it. It's alkalizing for your blood and for your body. And if you know anything about disease cannot survive in an alkaline environment. It also can help with anemia. It gives your immune system a huge boost. It helps with your skin. Of course, it's working from the inside out. And this is that green pigment that you see in plants. Now, I also am using spirulina powder now, and spirulina also has some chlorophyll in it. But let's move on to smoothies. This first smoothie is going to have the spirulina in it, but I'm starting off with a base of hemp milk, which is my milk of choice. It's not actually dairy. Now I'm putting in frozen blueberries, now I'm using a very ripe banana, half of an avocado. Can we just talk about how perfect this avocado is? Okay, avocados are amazing for their omegas and fats that they have, which it's very important to consume healthy fats. Fats, that's just not something you should remove from your diet altogether. Anyways, I digress. I am taking a teaspoon of spirulina powder. That's what the back of this bag says. You could consume more, I believe. Now I'm just adding a tiny bit of almond milk, which is not my preferred milk, and then some chia seeds. I'm also adding some cinnamon, which gives my smoothies a really nice kick, and I actually like how it complements when I am using ginger and like avocado, etc. I'm gonna give that a good mix, and look at this beauty. One thing I have noticed about spirulina is it makes my smoothies extremely dark. Like I've had ones that almost look like I'm drinking charcoal. So, I mean, it's up to you, but I'll have to take spirulina a little bit longer to notice huge benefits, but I do know that spirulina is supposed to help boost serotonin levels. So that can help with, mental clarity and focus and joy, I guess, happiness and anxiety and stress relief. So this next smoothie is a base of hemp milk again. We've got frozen blueberries, bananas. Those are like my 3 main ingredients in every single smoothie. I also have added a thumb of ginger, some hemp seeds, and I have a red anjou pear here. You guys can just, DIY your smoothies. I am also adding some spirulina to this smoothie, and I'm going to give that a good mix, of course. And here you see me adding my liquid biotin. I love adding vitamins to my smoothies if they're in the liquid form. I have 2 different ones now. But yeah, as you see, it's also dark, similar to the last one. Now this last smoothie is free from spirulina, so if you don't have spirulina, you don't have to worry. I am using chard instead of kale, which kale is really difficult for our body to break down. You can do your own research, but I wanted to experiment with other greens that also have amazing benefits. So I've got some chard, frozen blueberries, banana again. This time I decided to add in some cucumber, which is super hydrating. I think cucumbers are like 80-90% water. It's like eating water. I'm also adding some leftover red anjou pear, some hemp hearts, and typically I like to just add whatever I have left over for my smoothies. I do have 2 smoothie juice books, but that's what this smoothie is all about. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, let me know. If you are interested in the Teami Detox, check the description box. I love y'all, for real. I'm gonna get out of here and finish my tea. It's still hot.